How to leave a league in ESPN Fantasy Football, quick and easy. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to leave a league in ESPN Fantasy Football quickly and easily. Stick around till the end to learn the exact steps. Let's get started. First, launch the ESPN Fantasy Football app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here I am in the hockey section. You see on the screen that I am in the league. The time is clicking to leave the league. Tap on the league here. After that, this screen will appear on the screen. Here you will see the Leave League option. Tap on Leave League to leave the league. Then the notification will pop up that I have left the league successfully. And that's how you leave a league in ESPN Fantasy Football. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.